Hi guys, today we're going to draw Rodan from Godzilla, King of the Monsters. As in all the videos, I redrew it. This is how it's going to look like. Let's get started. To start off, we want to make a sideways, kind of a sideways U shape for the eye ridge. And for the eye, make a curved line under it, make another curved line inside it, and color that inside black. Now after you do that, point this back. And when you do that, from here, come down, up, and down. Put a curved line up, down, down. Make a curved line up, down, and out. And then for the beak, put a curved line for the chin and another bump. Put a curved line. And Rodan doesn't have teeth, but at least he has these like teeth shaped stuff, random spots around his mouth. And when you put them in, come back for the horn, down, same thing on the other side. And then put some lines just like Godzilla has on his neck. Make like a straight line down, diagonal. 2 lines like that. Line out. At the end, put 3 points for his claws. Point this down and back. Then put a line like that. And once you've done that broken line, make these lines except pointier and more sticking out. And at the end, make a point for the tail, come back. And from here, it's just curved lines. And then start these lines. Start those lines in a curve. And when you make it to about here, make a line. Line down and back. I'm making this one kind of better and better than this one. Better and more realistic. And to see there. Make a line like that. like back. Make a point. Another one up here. And one down here. And curve that back. When you're done that, then you've done the basic drawing of Rodan. Then for the details, put some lines for the claws. Put some broken lines around his beak. Show where the lips will be. Lines on both horns. A broken line against his chest and belly. Some lines against that, and a line on that, clear line. And make these a little bit longer to show that this is like plated armor or something. Put broken lines this way on his wing, because he can make air currents with his wings. Put some more broken lines. You can put it in as many as you want. You can even put some, like, I wasn't talking about that you can only put broken lines. You can put any type of line. And this took pretty short, so we're gonna add in like some background stuff. So first, we're gonna start with a jet, a fighter jet. Make a point, another one behind it. One down from that. One big booster. And 2 ones down from that one. And curve line for the window, front window. Put some circles for other windows. I'm not really good at drawing jets, but. And then you can add like a volcano in the back. Just to show that Rodan came out of that. If you go to Niagara Falls, what I was wondering was in outside that volcano of the Dinosaur Gulf, my brother said that he saw somebody getting it in the hole, and they got to get in the volcano. So what I'm thinking is maybe that there's like a plastic Rodan in there. I never been even in the Dinosaur Gulf, so. But next time we go, I'm gonna go to the Gulf. Can add some like lines in the air, because he was like in a whole red space. And you can add some more jets. Can add some more detail onto Rodan. Put like a kneecap. Not sure where his knee is, even though you can already see it. Just gets a bit more realistic by that. You can also put the jet that was crushed by his claws. Just like we did the other jets. There. And we're also lucky that we put his claws in that pose, because it also looks like it's about to grab that jet. Not a nostril. And there you go. This is your drawing of Rodan. I know Rodan took short, but the idea came into my head when he was chasing all those jets. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.